How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. For this, go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you are in your TikTok, make sure that you are logged in to your account. Then tap on the plus sign icon to go live. So right here in the option of camera templates at the last, it will be live. Just tap on live. To go live, you have to tap on go live bubble right here. So the thing is, you actually cannot turn off your camera on TikTok Live. However, at the very top, you will see this flip mode, in which you can reverse the camera in as your background camera, and you can place it on the floor or on top of a desk, something like this, so that you don't have to show your face on your TikTok Live. Hopefully, TikTok will come up with a new feature to turn off camera on TikTok Live as well. If you do not have live option on your TikTok, there might be some of the reason why. The first one is you don't have adequate followers on your TikTok. You at least need of 1,000 followers on your TikTok account to actually go live. And the second is you are actually underage. If that might be the case, you won't be able to go live on your TikTok. If not, there might be a bug issue. For that, exit from your TikTok. Press and hold the application and go to App Info. Force stop the application, then head to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, now open up your Play Store or your App Store. In here, you have to check for an update. For that, search for TikTok in the search bar. If there is an update, leave it for an update. The last resort will be uninstalling the application and reinstalling it once again. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.